They must say look good, they look nice, you know, for your age.
Hold on. Don't know what big tick.
Nobody never say old dog. They never say that. What if you say that? We ever try to get one of a girlfriend for boy that year. But we are getting 2 months worth of teaching, man, you know.
Oh, he wants somebody for washing clothes and cook for him.
No, you never tell me about that part. You say you want somebody to live with. Just, be that all. Miss Novia, Happy New Year, yeah? Nice number. Thank you. Thank you. Lion. Oh, all is Auntie Rena.
Yeah.
People, kind of confused, because you see in our life.
Yeah, but over age.
Me nah put it over, you put it over age. And the age, you know, age is just a figure. Age is just a figure, and no more than saying, so what age there. When you say, how your body feel, that you live by.
Well, age there, more than me, you know.
Yeah. Me know more age, Jesus.
You know, mommy.
Okay.
Yes.
Tuesday was Auntie Rena birthday. No, over TikTok them ask how old is Auntie Rena. Tuesday was Auntie Rena birthday.
Yes, I say they're right to ask on birthday. You must want to give me something.
Me I go out there so I tell you something. But Facebook alone me I tell this. Me I go out there so I tell you. YouTube me soon come. Me I go out there so Facebook alone. This is a Facebook matter, alright? Me I go out there so I tell you Facebook something. Go and talk to them on TV that me I come. Me I come. Me can't tell them because me I put things in place to make sure everything alright. You can go and go past a you look cockeyes and you sharp. We don't want to hear. Are you sharp? Show up cockeyes. Auntie Rena teach me something. When somebody you talk, I see somebody looking in your mouth, stop talk, them and know everything we say. Auntie Rena tell me that. Alright. Auntie Rena birth ID. I said she born the 31st. This month, December. Me have in my mind say yes, can I read the ID? Never remember say alright, but go sort out her birth paper. You see on the birth paper, Auntie Rena born the 27th. The 27th of December. So she miss her birthday. Next thing too. Eh? Yeah. Next thing too. On the birth paper, says she born 1953. So let's check 1953 from now. Put in 2025, take away 1953 and tell me that her age. I think I will. Let me check it for me. I don't remember. Check it for me. Cause I come like say the ID now, should anyone want her vote, then work with the information where she give them. So I'm go down to RGD now. Yes, whatever they on the birth paper, that's the legit information. So I can't 72. Check it again. Check it again. What's so much money is 70? 1950 and 1953? No man, site about 53. Mirang. Boy. Can my phone come? Sorry, a site about 53. Site about 53. Hold on, a site about 53. Site about 53. Yeah. Site about the live alright in there? Let me go back down here. I've got my phone for you. Site about 53. Hold on. I know I hear there's something. I mean, thing you have in my mind, I can work with. Let me ask Gail. No, that's a site of data bird. That's a site of. Gail, what year the birthday back again? Auntie RENA one, 1938. A site of 1 hour, 53. Yeah, 1938. So let's check here. 1938. Check it now. Alright, yeah. It's about 1938. 27th of December 1938. See how much? 80 plus. So 2025 take away 1938. I can't believe it. I wonder why me can't believe it. I wonder if something really goes to people. Something really goes so. You feel like I'm making a mistake on the RGB. Because I don't know how she move. I don't know how she move.
Please send her money go.
Thank you very much, Rose. God bless her. Happy New Year.
Alright, I would have shalom. Give a shalom, eh?
Please send her money go. Please send her money go.
Silent.
Money.
Yeah, call.
That's not your call.
Everything good over here, so. Okay.
The internet, the gone, but it come back.
Guys, me can't answer on right now because me dey on the TikTok live with a phone now, yeah? Yeah, so I want to just send a message. I want to send a message with a voice note or any little thing. See that? Me can't believe it. But I want that information on RGD. And the information on a Spanish town. See now you can see now. You can see now. I'm looking at my mouth. No, you can't see now.
Other Monday.
Arlene, thank you.
Our money gone.
Yeah. The 28th in our league. We did not put the information out and make it sound that way the pilot. Pilot to make it sound that way there. $19.38. Alright, all of my gifters and thank you here. Yeah man, God bless you. I'll give me first gift. I will send the first gift for the new year. Ready? Go on, Renee is still not cold, don't. Go on, take it easy. Slick by pre. Not really, just there, go easy.
With a rasta man.
Shalom, uncle.
Shalom, uncle. Now play a game.
No, with the go down there, you know, and even though you have that, you know, that have a match with you know what they have in a film database. But I don't know, yeah, man. I don't know. And the data bird on the ID, then put down there. For them data bird down there, then put on there. Okay, backside. Saita. Okay. I would go over this and come over here, so. Backside. You know it's time. Sorry, I never did Jamaica, I give some of my bush medicine. You know, I want some bush tea. That I show data warning.
Yeah.
Close that. Close off the match. Alright, all I'm gonna give to them. God bless for the year. Oh, me have 9 nuggets. 9 nuggets? Hey. Hey. New year. So wanna believe peeps. Wrong information or it can be. Wrong information or it can be. Well, it can be. Nah, sir. Not they wrong down there. They wrong down there. Gotcha. I see a young girl this side of me. They wrong down there.
I know what they must say.
They look good, they look nice, you know, for the age.
Hold on. Don't know what big tick.
Nobody never say old dog. They never say that. Oh, they never say that. They never say that. Remember, say you're hot. You're an inspiration to all the other rest of ladies them. Because for your age and what's this up? Enough. We are your age right now, can't even move. They wish they didn't have your health and your strength. So, yeah, so nobody worry about oldness. As long as the body active. Yeah. Hey. That's your worry about. You're good. They always right. Okay. Well. So, well, now. So, I'm going to retire. If I'm 86, no, when I retire, I can't put in something in the team. No, I'm fit out. So, we have to just make him run until, you know, what he's saying can't make no more. We can't take him out of look. No. Yeah. That. You know what I'm saying? You know what I say? What I say?
Yes, you can't make. You know there's something
Me is so concerned. So concerned. And now knowing that in my brain and now synchronized from the end of the day, I'm more 100% more concerned. So. What's it? Kangaroo. So kangaroo, we are wait pan if you come back to your yard. Not now going up there. Okay. So you have your house down so see here?